And that's the only place I intend to live. If I have to leave Levittown, I will do so.
Once upon a time, in days long dead, when you were young and so easily led, the smell of the schoolyard, the bombs in your blood, where mom and dad left off and the networks picked up. White death and black eyes and gray in the veins, but ain't life and death all the same? And all that you say and all that you do, never forget what they've taken from you. And all that you say and in all that you do, never forget what they've taken from you. They're lining their pockets while lining our streets with boarded up dead zones that howl out retreat. And gone are the days and rare are the times, yeah, even the ghosts have all left us.